All right, so here's the problem people are facing. They open Netflix on their smart TV. Suddenly, the NW25 error keeps popping up. They keep getting this problem over and over again. Now, we don't have this issue on our end, but we'll walk you through all the best ways to fix it and get back to streaming quickly. Now, first of all, let's see why this happens. This error usually means your TV is having trouble connecting to Netflix because of a network or internet connection problem. So our first step is to check the internet connection. So whatever TV brand or model you're using, just navigate yourself towards the settings section. From there to the Wi-Fi settings. And first, we're going to just turn off the Wi-Fi button, wait for around 10 seconds, and then turn it back on again. This will give your network connection a quick refresh. Now, if you see here in this list that you're connected to your Wi-Fi router without any problem, next what you can do is just cold boot your TV. Plug it out, wait for a couple of minutes, and then plug it back in. Turn on your TV, go straight to Netflix, and we recommend you to try to play the same content you were trying before. Now, since you're inside the app, but the contents are not playing, another quick way is you can also refresh your Netflix account connection by signing out and signing back in. So from the Netflix home screen, let's click on your profile, then open the Get Help menu. And right at the bottom, just select the Sign Out option and then confirm. So once you've signed out, give it a couple of seconds and then just select Sign In and enter your Netflix account details once again. Give it a few moments to settle down, load the contents, and now just go ahead and check if you're still getting that same error or not. Now, in most cases, all the steps we've shown you will solve the problem. If not, in our last stage, we'll see if you're using an outdated app and maybe that's the problem. So either from Play Store or Streaming Store, if you're from Google or Roku OS, just search for the Netflix app. Enter the app. If there is an update available, the update button will show up. Just go ahead and install the update. And since you're here, if you want, lastly, you can uninstall the app and then reinstall it once again and start fresh. Now just go ahead and open the app, try playing the content, and if there is no problem with Netflix server, your issue will be solved. No more error. You will start streaming without any issue. Let us know in the comments if that could solve your problem. Thanks for your time.